Hey guys, and welcome to another ChocolateUnboxer unboxing video. It's been a while, as you all know, but we've been trying to get back into it. And this setup, I don't know if it's going to be a normal thing, but we're still working out the kinks. But I had this, and I had to take the opportunity to make a video. It's been a long time, and I hope you enjoyed. We got the K70 LUX RGB. I'm assuming everyone who knows about this is probably Googling or YouTubing the term K70 LUX RGB. YouTube, help me find an unboxing and kind of first look at it. If not, this is probably the second tier of Corsair's mechanical gaming keyboards. Like the K95 RGB is probably the top of the line, and originally, for a long time, I always wanted a K95, especially from the jump from the K90 when it went from a light brushed aluminium to a dark one. I love brushed aluminium, and this one just ended up being a very good deal, and I could honestly live without the macro keys. My friend has a K95 RGB, and I'm like, I don't really see a point. I'm so used to just normal keyboard now. But without further ado, let's get started. I finally now own a Stanley knife that will always work. No more searching for pens or anything else. And it's weird, I gotta admit, owning a sharp Stanley knife. I'm so used to blunt ones, and scissors always been not so good. Yes, realized also the most important one. This is the Cherry MX red one. I would have loved browns, but this one was a lot more cheaper. It had a great deal on it, and I could really live without it because I'm going to button up these keys anyway. So, this is due. Good old packaging. I don't know how to get it out. That's how long it's been since unboxing. So get everything out of the packaging, I reckon. Yeah. Check this down here. Alright, so we got a quick start guide, and as always, I'll probably look at this later and actually have to do it. A warranty little card and a warranty guide. Paperwork as always. We got the wrist rest here. This is pretty standard for all Corsair ones with a wrist rest. And honestly, that's probably another thing I love about the Corsair ones is they come with a pretty good wrist rest. Like, I don't know why no one invests in good wrist rests on the keyboards, and even mouse too. Like my mouse pad is the Razer Vespula purely because it has a wrist rest for your wrist, because like it's most important, fatigue, guys. So there's that. They give you a key puller with these textured keys. If you're doing FPS or MOBAs. I will do neither, and overall it will destroy the overall aesthetics of this, so probably no for me. But key puller, I heard the non-box version didn't come with that, and I found that weird because I've always done that. That mechanicals always came with that. The cord, it's a braided, black braided USB. These USB connectors are a bit weird, but it's going to go in the back of my computer, so I'm going to see them anyway. There's two, purely because there's one just for the keyboard and power, and another one for USB pass-through. So I'm going to quickly just undo this. And I'll unpeel the film. The greatest thing about owning new products. If I can actually get it. Yeah, it's great also that I waited a bit now because I don't have the Tramstab logo. They're back to the good old sales, which I think looks better. And it has a textured spacebar, and pretty much the rest. I hope you would. Either way, it's got the volume, your multimedia macro keys. Got the USB pass-through to the back, plus the polling rate switcher, which really I don't know too much about, don't really care. I'm using I'll show you my old keyboard that I'm using at the moment, so really this is not great whatsoever. And I'll take this up to my computer now, sort it out, and I'll show you how it goes. Alright, and we're back. So this is my old keyboard. It's the Microsoft Wireless Keyboard 800. Came with a mouse too, and I've been using it probably as long as I started this channel. You know, like it's been good. It does its job as a keyboard and everything. But you know, with my new setup, as you guys can see, living the dream. I thought it was time for a new keyboard. Mainly, probably the only problem I had with this one, since I've owned it, is it's not backlit. And to be honest, if I didn't get this RGB one in a good deal, I was probably going to go with just a Logitech white backlit, because really that's all I wanted was just some backlight and mechanical. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's a standard keyboard and all that. I'll probably do a little video as well, just move this here. As you can see, it's not bad. I'll probably do just a quick video on the RGB, doing its RGB shit. Other than that, I mean, really, lead hacksaw. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So here we are. Here's just with the default, what do you call it? Just rainbow spiral that it does. I might tweak it on later on that, but really, I'm not too fussed. New keyboard is a new keyboard.